no, no. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My body keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My body keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My body keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Beautyw.cat, and today I'm here to give you guys another wig review. This time my review is for the company Neatandsleek, and as you can see, I got a braided wig. A braided wig, y'all. I could have sworn I bashed braided wigs on my channel. Like either it was on YouTube or it was on Instagram, one of them, and I was like, it will be a cold day in HE double hockey sticks before I put on a braided wig. And look at me now, putting on a braided wig. So the details with this wig, it does come with 3 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the back, and adjustable straps. And she comes with a pre-attached adjustable elastic band. So this is a lace front wig. She is a 13x6 wig. The length, she is waist length, but I am 4'10", and I could say she was maybe around 24 to 26 inches on me. The color is in a 1B, and my cap size was a small. I was surprisingly shook how flawless the hairline looked. I didn't have to bleach anything. I didn't use no makeup. Like, this came as is, y'all. Now, the braids are extremely heavy, forewarning. I actually like how this wig does have some weight on it. I wouldn't have liked the wig that was like really light in weight, but this wig has a lot of weight on it. She gave us enough braids on the hair. Like, I really love this wig. Also, this wig did come with baby hairs. As you can see, I am taking that braid apart to cut my baby hairs. This is very dope for the girls that do not feel like waiting and sitting in a salon for 3-4 hours, because I don't think braiding hair is an all-day thing anymore. I really feel like people have mastered hair braiding down where it's not as time consuming as it used to be when we was growing up. But y'all, this took me less than 20 minutes. So this kind of beats the 3-4 hours. Also, if you are planning on getting this wig, be extremely careful with the lace. I was tugging on her a little bit. I was just really rough with her. And I know I could have easily messed up by ripping this apart because of how heavy this unit is. So please be careful with the lace. Be careful when you're tugging on this wig. You do not want to rip this wig up. The only thing I have to say about this wig as well is I wish that the ear flaps fit my hairline. I love how the cap felt. It felt so snug, but of course, like the ear flaps, they were just a little bit too long for me. And when I was cutting it, it was like, it felt like I was going to almost be cutting into a braid. And, you know, I don't want to lose no braids or whatever. So I was just very cautious with how I was cutting my hairline. Right now I'm using my Got To Be spray and I'm going to be melting it down. Again, like I said, this wig was heavy, so please be mindful if you're trying to do like a updo. Just be mindful that the lace might lift, so just, you know, just glue that piece right back down. I definitely want to do an updo style for this wig. Y'all don't kill me in the comments about my baby hairs. Look, it's been a minute since I've been laying baby hairs correctly. I'm a little rusty, so don't talk about my baby hairs, y'all. I tried. So let's get into the pros and cons of this wig. Let's go right into the cons because I think I only just had one con. And I don't even think that was really the wig's fault, but I just wish that the hairline fit my actual hairline. Like I told y'all before, I had to customize the way it fit around my hairline and my ear. And if I would have cut a little bit too much, it would have cut a braid off, and I didn't want to mess up the wig. So, you know, I had to improvise with that. But the pros are endless. Y'all, I've been complaining about wanting braids this entire time. Like, being an influencer and doing wig reviews, I really don't have enough time to have braids and then do a wig review, at least a solid wig review with braids underneath a wig. So I always get sad when I can't wear braids, but this wig is definitely a game changer. Y'all about to see this wig a lot, okay? All I'm gonna say is I will be using like different headbands to like cover up, like when I do put the hair up in a bun or whatever, like I'll cover up the nape area of the wig, so you know you can camouflage it and everything. But yes, y'all, this is going to be my summer wig for real. Another pro, the hairline was beautiful. The baby hairs was great. I didn't add no makeup to the wig. I didn't have to bleach no knots. Y'all, this was literally a beginner friendly wig. This wig actually made me a believer in braided wig. So I would like to thank Neatandsleek for sending me this unit to review for y'all today. Everything about this wig will be in my description box below, so y'all make sure y'all go check that out. Thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. I appreciate y'all every single time, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.
What a day, what a day.